So here's the trick. We need a really quick change between G and D. The trick is, I would say, use your little finger on the G and little finger only. Because if you only strum from string 4 to 1, then that's a G chord. And then you can have that D ready. And you can even have it there like really, really close. That is the trick to doing a really, really quick G to D major change. You could use your third finger kind of flat and then go up. So you can do a rolling technique to do really quick changes as well. Flat third finger, then to the tip. Just in case someone's little finger, you know, doesn't have that independence yet. So that should get you through. And that's an open, again, this is a G chord really, if you just strum the open, like the middle strings. There's really a double strumming there, like a quicker. And then for the intro, I would just do, again, a G to a C change really quickly, just open. C to G, the George Harrison G is the way forward. So everything open to a C chord, C to G, let's have a little jam along, I guess. Let's have some fun. It's really clean, so it's even cleaner than that, really. Really easy to overdo it, but that is on 2 out of 10. Or just be quick. I mean, my bones grew around a G to a D chord change. But yeah, the open stuff's really handy.